You know, we have up-down to take into consideration. But on a two-dimensional surface, up-down is not taken into consideration, it's just front-back. So because up-down is excluded from the two-dimensional equation, we have to figure out a way to create three-dimensional depiction or illustration on a two-dimensional surface. Convert this transparency on a three-dimensional surface to a two-dimensional canvas, and you have to understand the color and shades because this transparency has to appear transparent on the canvas simultaneously.
Nerds, quirky individuals, eccentric individuals, and just individuals who fall outside the spectrum of what our proverbial term defined as normalism. So today's discussion is going to be centered around primarily mental disorder or mental diseases, specifically bipolar, because I find bipolar to be quite an intriguing mental phenomenon. Now, this lecture today wasn't actually centered around mental disorder. My initial objective was to come here and lecture about an algorithm. A couple months ago, I built an algorithm, which is a non-linear, unorthodox algorithm. Basically, I published 20